Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great. In this part, we're going to check out the Draw menu in Moho together. We're going to break down the Draw menu into 3 parts because it's got some important tools that need extra explanation. Before we dive in, if you're into animation, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first option is Insert Text. When you click on it, a window pops up where you can type your text and adjust its settings. The layer for it will also be created right here. You can create or edit the text, font type, text styles, fill, stroke, and anything else related to the text right here. In future videos, we'll get to know Insert Text better through real projects. The next submenu is Snap to Grid, and we're about to learn how it works together. I'll start by drawing an irregular line. Next, I'll choose Enable Grid from the View menu. As you can see, my line isn't on any of the grids. Now I'll click on Snap to Grid from the Draw menu. As you can see, our point snaps to the nearest grid. The next submenus are Reset Line Width and Random Line Width. Alright, let's learn how these submenus work with these irregular lines. I'll change the stroke size on some parts of these lines. Now I need to select them all and click on Reset Line Width. As you can see, the stroke sizes have returned to their original state. The next option is Random Line Width. Let's say you want to draw the branches of a tree in an irregular way. For this, you'd use the Random Line Width tool. For this, click on Random Line Width, then enter your desired values for the smallest and largest stroke widths in the boxes. As you can see, it has randomly changed the stroke sizes for you. The next options are Peak and Smooth. For example, by clicking Peak, the edges become sharp, and by clicking Smooth, the edges turn soft. These 4 options are for setting the priority and displaying shapes within a layer. Here we have 3 shapes with different colors. Keep in mind that to activate these 4 submenus, we need to use this tool to select our shapes. If you use any other tool like this one for selection, they won't get activated. First, I'll select the shape in the middle, which is drawn between the other 2 shapes. Now I'll click Raise Shape, and you can see that my shape moves forward by 1 step. Just make sure all the shapes are in the same layer. As you can see, my shape moved 1 step forward. Now, to move it back by 1 shape, I'll click on Lower Shape. As you can see, it moved 1 step back. Now, let's say I want to make the blue circle the frontmost shape. It doesn't matter where it is, whether it's at the back or in the middle. By clicking Raise to Front, we bring it to the frontmost position. As you can see, it's now the frontmost shape. Now, if I select the same shape and click on Lower to Back, my shape will become the backmost shape. Just like that. We've learned the first part of the Draw menu. If you're interested in animation, like this video and subscribe to our channel.